the major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase pe wo wiase ya asondin asondin ti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ni ade cat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ewura
Mema obibia akwaba sonko ede eba too much GH so moso mfo ni aba ekris kapa nene so minimum edi eye ehia yesi da na jese mo amunim se na wotwi mu nyina no ensem a ekoso ewo man Ghana emu eni wiasa fe na nyina no eno na ye boaboa ano na yesi ehu enkonya na de ekoyie de ankoyie de wa yesi yetu eye ehunfo de wo se ye hyinkran wo ho no ni nyina no yakasa ede afa eye ehu ntina jese wo ye sabre yi ede a na ehu be hia so obefre obi na wo yonko so afre ne yonko ebi na jese mu nyina so matimi ehia na se de nkomodidie no ebekọ no onso so wadwentwa wo fa ensem no ho no watimi ede abetu edwenti se na ene eda edi kan a wo hwe eye tuma GH dia na ehu be hia so be subscribe to the channel no na wa like videos na wa share fama eye afoforo na wo mo nso so ehu de ekoso na nkomodidie emu no jese adwentwe bi ni nsem bi se bi no wo mo nso so enya epepa no ene akonya no so etimi ede ato ho no anu yi nso so no a ese efata no yetimi ede amamo na ebusiafo ene ensemu ede ene na chese ensem no ya twe ne tenten ena yede eba ya moyisha won sensemu abebeto abonten bra salma ene ni PA ebetwetwe ya nkoma chese audio eliki ye ede efa ho de other celebrities fia shots nigga ekapi polo ene wo mom keka ho de wo mo no ababetu mu ebie susu no ye bebobo eso ewa ha na nsen yi emu absoja fo na posifo ede emresho wo mo nsa ye nyoma mama no wo kasa ide ya abrantie bi enam sa akonya no so ahwe eye ne kra enkwane nyina so ye beka eye eho ensem ebra mampanyi de COVID-19 won hwehwe ye ebebeto apono eso no ye Liberia budumburu am honom de chese Liberia form wo honom wo mo so menya wo mo fa ahudi enti enye chese wo mo go against COVID-19 protocols no ya babo so enso ewo ahanom esem ya papa Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempan so said the monim no ya na spiritual works no eso no enam so amache se nuabode wa bro eye ebia mebia ka asofo ebi enom na enye eno enso enkom Eagle prophet and so ede nsem bi ababa betu edwa se ehu be nya so se ye be pensem na de twa eto krampo ede ye mampanyin ne wo mompanyin fo je so motena se de akwakosia he ne se National Cathedral yi hu be nya se Ghana ni bia no wo betua ye 100 Ghana cedis eno so no ye be dwendwen ehu se wo mo decision no ebeboa anase enye den emboa na ebusefom na de ye di edi kan ye audio eliki ye efa moyisha ni PA ne nsem o kan defa no ade na enam so ma enunti eye moyisha ekosa ohawi ene atiti mu nenum ena ne ye di edi eye ekan enti mo ka me hwan eye kon hwe video no embra ne ye ba yeah me guest no me you know ede achom na ne nkomo no ye de ahehye so enti wa so me you afide no emfree ahanu ye hwe video no bra ne ba ye beto
me telling me this why would you call me in the first place?
You know, I wanted to say so since, but I was like, I don't know how someone is going to react.
So what did she see? Because me
there are things that she has done to you personally that I know that you don't know. I wanted to tell you whatever. I was like, no, someone reacts some way when I tell her this thing. So when the man called, she saw, it's like, every time sometimes when somebody is calling on WhatsApp call, you might think it's a normal call. Video call, you might think it's a normal call.
Mm-hmm.
So I think the man answered the call. The man answered the call thinking it was a normal call. Boss, can I please use your charger? I beg you. Your charger, I beg. It's fast charger. I beg. The call hung up, please. So this girl saw the blood and the whole thing on the phone, and she screamed Jesus.
So the man called her on video. She picked up.
She was the one who called.
So she called the man, and the man answered.
Yes, she was calling to apologize. Do you know, more times whenever She offered the man gets angry. She calls the man via video call to cry, to pretend as if that kind of thing. So
is the man like her boyfriend?
Yes.
Her boyfriend?
Yes. And this man too, no, you've told this man that he's the only one you are seeing. And then there is another man in Ghana, you've also told that man that he's the only one she's seeing. So this man gives you everything, but you still go, even the house, no, this man gave you money. You also you took money from different people and you just spent it. So this man, when everything happened, no, after we came to the church, I was like, no. When she got up for that $2,000 thing,
I don't understand though. She saw she, before the man came to Ghana. She called the man and then saw blood and she shouted.
No, the man wasn't coming to Ghana. She was going to.
I understand. So when she missed her flight and then she was calling the next day to apologize to the man, and that was when she saw the blood.
Yes.
So she saw the man with blood all over him, or she saw like occultic stuff or what?
Yeah, yes, those occultic.
So when she got, did you see, or she was the one that told you?
Yes, she screamed and then she was telling everybody when it happened, but she was scared. So she was telling.
So did the man call back after she saw?
Yes, the man called back. One of her friends told me that they were in the car and the man called and the man was like, don't tell anybody what you've seen, but you know this woman can't keep her mouth shut.
So she also went to open her mouth.
She went everywhere. Even the day we came to the church.
But the man was in the church. Wasn't the man in the church?
No, it's not that one. No.
Oh,
it's not that one. Cry. No.
So the man in Nigeria is the man a pastor too?
She has two people. One is a pastor. One is a senator.
I see. So it's a senator that she called and saw those things.
Yes. And the day we came to the church, before you came, she had encounters, shouting thing, and they came to carry her and they took her to one of them. Before I left, I was there when Seligali was like, "Oh, Nelson, go and check if she's okay." By the time I got there, she has already told them everything. And I was telling Moshe that you shouldn't be saying this. You shouldn't be telling people. If you've come to church, let the pastor rather say something and tell you. If you tell them, it's like you are rather giving them information and they'll stand on it. That was when the pastor, they started asking for $2,000 and she stood up, she went to stand there. After the $2,000, she was still giving the money. $3,000, $2,000. The money in your account is blood money. Give it to Christ. And then she'll be giving the money to them. She'll be giving the money to them. And then they drain off all her money from the dollar accounts.
So in total, how much do you think she's giving to these people?
She gave, because the first time, you remember that she stood up for the
$2,000, yes.
Yes, after that, she sent $3,000. After she sent $2,000, I went with her to the bank. All right, she was like, no, it's because like she really wanted to be saved. Because she felt like she was going to die. Because
after she saw those things,
yes, and they told her not to say it, so she's now rushing to Christ and all that. So she was giving out the money. She gave off all her things, including her bed that she sleeps on it,
to Victoria Michael's brother.
She gave it to people. She gave it to.
So she's giving everything she's got out.
Yes, because they told the Victoria Michael's brother told her that
everything she's got is bad money.
Yes, so she was giving everything out, including her bed, her wigs, her dresses, her shoes, even the couch in the hall, her paintings, her pictures in the frame, all those things. Now she threw everything out. So the last time, what happened? Penna came to visit her, and then Penna, I was the one. I went to Malcolm to buy them students' mattress. So Penna was like, Auntie Moisha, why are we sleeping on the floor? Because whenever I come with, and then she was like, she has given it to the poor. Penna left and went to tell his church that me, I won't go to Auntie Moisha again. No, she has given her bed to the poor. So I was there when the church was going to call me, and she was like, Nelson, she really needs help. We really have to do something about this. And I was like, she also doesn't want to accept because the church, to the poison her mind, say, Obia or get closer to even talk to her. She doesn't want to take it. She rather call them. She called the pastor and tell them. I remember that Leona Pascal, they came to advise her and stuff. She called the pastor and told the pastor.
Victoria Michael's brother?
Yes. She will call, and then she has become so at a point with her. Michael will cook, and then she will come do it, and then she stopped after they had that money. It's like now even she called them. I was there when the securities called me that I should come and pick Moisha. Now Moisha is walking barefooted at the roadside walking.
Oh no.
Working, so I should come and pick her up. We went to pick her. We called this person. It's like she said, we are disturbing them. It's like they are disturbing them. Later on, they came to pray for her and other things. But they went. Sometimes something will be happening. You call them to come. It will take time because it's like now they are not getting whatever. Could you imagine that VGA means I wasn't. This is not your charger, please. Your charger is there. VGMAs, I went to the VGMAs. Night was Mona's birthday, so after we went to Twist. When I came back, I saw ashes in the kitchen. I was like, what is wrong? So I asked the stepmother. The stepmother was like, nothing. No, the pastors came over. And I was like, Auntie, are you sure everything is okay? She was like, Nelson, I don't even know how to say this. And I was like, you don't worry, we'll talk in the morning. In the morning, the cousin himself said, Nelson, do you know that Moisha bent over 50,000 Ghana cedis? Bent it into ashes. Bent it.
Why are they telling the girl her money is bad money now?
She bent it. And then what happened was that she was doing something small in the house. The Sunday she went to give the testimony. So the families will come to. So Mildred came to do the call. So when she went upstairs and brought the money, she gave everybody bundle.
Hey.
She gave everybody bundle. So they said all of a sudden they were there. She came screaming, shouting from the top, from the stairs. She came to take all the money
back from the people.
From them, and then she just set them up. She put them on the stove, and then she bent it. And I saw it because when I saw the ashes, say it is written 200 CDs, 100 CDs, and 50 CDs note. I saw all those things. So the following morning, Farida and the aunties came around, and then they saw that the house is empty. So they were like, no, why do you have to do that? Why do you have to? So they started shouting at her, like, Moisha, why do you have to do that? So they were even asking me that, you should have. And I was like, I can't stop Moisha. Moisha is not somebody you can stop her from giving the heavens out. I was there. Even I was there when she gave 3 bags of things to one of my friends, her weeks, 7 weeks. Even Susan Channel's body creams and everything. She gave them out. So what the person told me was that, Nelson, it will get to a point, Moisha will realize that why a mistake and she'll be asking for her things. 3 days ago, I was there. She started asking for her things. It's like sometimes the mind will come and it will go. It will come and it will go. It will go. Come and it will go. So
now you feel like her mind is off, Bisa?
It's off. It's off because me when 4 days ago, she wasn't feeling well, and I called my mom, and then my mom was like, she wants to pray with her. She called one of my uncles to pray with her, and she took their numbers, and I told her, I said, Mo, I'm telling you this. My mom and my uncle that have taken their numbers. I don't want you to call them and say stuff because I know you. I know what you can do. I know. And then she was like, please, so I'm a changed person. Forgive me all what I've done. I was like, Moisha, me, I can never forgive you because whenever I see you, everything you've done to me reflects back. I've never done anything to you. I've never harmed you. I loved you genuinely. I helped you. Somehow, if I tell you what Moisha even did to you, open your mouth.
What did
you open your mouth because you had no intentions. Like you were, even though you were not talking to her, you weren't out there destroying her or anything, but she was there destroying you. She was there behind closed doors doing things
wow.
to people. Doing things to people.
Wait, me, I'm interested. What did she do to me? I'm curious.
Yes, I know. It's gone. Let's not just visit the past. That was why she called to even apologize. Even it's not like apologize, but she called to and then you hanged up because. And I told her we don't apologize like that. Just tell the person say. So 3 days ago at the hospital, she told me, said, Nelson, I know that because of what I have done.
Mon come when na ya prophet kunchacha akwaba mbra ye fidie eso odi for me mo akwaba
me do so me nua ba
odi for bibia bokode
Ewurade adom bibia ye bokopa ma me nchia wahwefo a ehwe ye ne watiefo a etie ye Ewurade emo bia hoden nkwatenten ebise mu ni ho a yen so ye ni ho nti ye dom pa mesre nkwatenten ne onyame ahoden de mamo
yo na odifo said ye PAED and some no ebebetu edwa no wo make some comment ebi edefa kwan amoyisha so for wo hia no wo ye ne enoma wo mo etu ye over 50,000 Ghana cedis so for timi ma ye amoyisha ehye na eho enso wo peti ede egu ni fie wono no se obi mpo akwakofa blood money anazo hu ni se sika woji ye eye sika finya sika de nkini se minor adie se ye sika fin se ye de no de enya ba o manyimu ana se ye nya ade ye use enkwa edia eni kwan se na woni right se wo hye eye sika enti sa ekwan ana se kwanchira wo de ema moyisha no na eno no ama honhom ana se de okokwaje ye no enti mi nya sunsunso e wo ne so ana
Ghana scan or share nana
dollars
okay menimu emra nimu de se bia wo hye amanone sika dia itumi jaw free dia menimu de ba Ghana sika dia ka meka se ye nche no menimu samanone de enso ka dia
dollars no na wo se o se samba Ghana sika ma ye 50,000 Ghana cedis
okay the woman say moyishia ni issue no makase enya hunemu ade se wo ho na ubu ade no hunemu ade nko a enweke enyeyi maka wo baby da kama issue no start here say moyishia sofukum chacha me obi a main time ma public
enkasa
emeye mahunwei nyame yiwe ya kire me mentai fan komhye emma public by moishia issue ne buy no me can say girl no offer baby on 19 year efa baby I say slave queens no on wa ba no e competition ejuma no won ye so be for baby the edi kan obenya bible the atosu mi no obenya etitiru won wuska na won won akwa 19 ko nipa ba ku pen etumi ma slave queens bi be 2 billion ayo old currency obi kura tumi ma obi edan isle one dan emonche a no de ama sa juma no de wani ya onko wani
okay
it won 90 o chi nuro so it me osofukum chacha makase yenu aba mo yishia me say ade eye no no enye wonam ade wa fo baabi na enye ma no na me kaso wa fo baabi o eyade a nyame yi kire me eyade a nyama no na me ka me si nyame yi kire me sa wa fo baabi na baabi o fa ya no wa fom ade no wa fom ade no ana ama ade no torment no
okay
ana ewie no sade ekoi ene ade na wo de no to nchen a anwofe ewie aso sa wo bi fo baabi na bibi ha wo bi na bibi torment na ya de ne ma rare man of God one fana ma rare man of God wa na san de ne koma fake man of God wa na ye say a police for hwehwe wacho no bia na akwata be ma camp wo chia ni ye easy a police for hwehwe ya the wanted atoso
yeah
udwane ya wa kwasha be ma camp wo chia ni ye easy ya wo asofo bi owa o yusu bronsam tumi
okay
yusu bronsam direction
okay
and the year juma sa asofo na etesa no problem bi ti say no wo sa de kwamo wa I saw the akaranti ayen katakwan wakɔ ni diem eti me deɛ me gyina wo fidie we so ye nua ba mo yihia me re condition na so kum chacha wa ye mmɔbɔ wa ye me mmɔbɔ wo hia wo gye ɔwo pesofo bi a nyame adom wɔ ne so kɛseɛ anyame tumi wɔ ne so kɛseɛ na yɛmfa mo yihia nhyɛ ne nsa na wo bɛtɔ no
na me pese mi hu sɛ ye wo hye bibi a na sɛ wanya bibi wɔ kwambɔne so na wo hye na wo sade peti ɛyɛ fia wutimu no no huhu ana sɛ ɛba no spiritual yi na sɛn na si ɛfa ɛde na ɛyɛ
brabiem
sɛ wo
skana wo hye no
na wɔde ɛho ɛnso peti ɛyɛ fia na wɔtimu no ɛno no den na
ɛyɛ sɔfo no de ɛna hye no
ɛna sɔfo no na ma ne hye no
ɛna meka sɛ saa kwankyerɛ we make sense
okay
saa kwankyerɛ we no it make sense so that's it and the same easiful and selfful the same thing so for no me hu ne yie
okay
me soft kum charger so for na nkasa ne me hu ne yie dabi eti na maka sɛ sɛ mo yi hia busuafo hwɛ me na busuafo tie me a our man of God. So kum charge a case and find me wa. Yabaka senti na me advert
and then okre.
Our Ghana ha.
Asofo
yawa asofo na by your body wom.
No kre.
Your papa fo. Ade bi your body your papa. Your papa your body. Ghana ha. Yawa asofo a nyame tumi wo won so a. Ewrade do won ye adwuma. Owo kasa bam. Otre ne nsa wo so a nyame eyi wade so afiri so ye wo bebre bi ogana ali ye wo fake fo no so fake ne do so mo echen papa no onya obi a wo ye papa ye de mo yishi ahye ne nsa obey okay
yo odi for ye besan aba osu ebiem na ebusuafo said ye PA no ene sama etwetwe nkomo no nam so ma chese ye other celebrities no be kasa ye ede efa ehu ama chese na chese ye sama na ehu behia se wo ba bonten na wo be respondi eye to ensem no ba ye no wo be pa eye achew se onim kwan a enam so Emma audio no etimi eliki ye na ansa na ye beba wodifo asu ebiem na ye busa na ensam de afasa wo no obi twetwe nkomo ehu hia sa wo be record eye nipa no mama yenkotie eye samansama wode atu dwane ye ba ya ji odifo so adwenche afa ensam no.
For some days before we saw that video, so he advised that I talk to the boy probably, so I said okay, no problem. I sent the guy a message. I replied the guy that he could call me, and then he called. So when we started talking for about a minute, and then Elkem and I realized that it wasn't anything we thought the boy was going to say. So he advised that Salma, uni moisha enisa, adenani pie befrel as that he can same way. So you know what, let's record this conversation. So he advised that we record the conversation because we do not understand why the boy would even call me at the first place. So he recorded an audio and later on sent it to me. So if you listen to the audio, at the beginning of the audio, I was questioning the guy, not because I was interested in any information. I was questioning him because these are things he already said before we started recording the audio. So I wanted us to have everything on the audio just for evidence sake. So that was why I was asking the questions. They are not questions that I wanted to know, but these were things the boy had already told me off recording. So I wanted to repeat myself for him to answer, for it to come inside the audio. Okay. So that was why I asked the guy, not because I was so much interested in what really was happening with her. And then Elikem sent it to me afterwards. I've had it on my phone since when? I think 12. I think this audio, Moisha's thing happened around 12 July or something. I've had it on my phone since 12 July. Elikem have had it on his phone since 12 July. If we wanted to leak it, the intention wasn't to leak this audio. The intention was just to keep it, just in case this boy, you know, goes back to say anything elsewhere or have me recorded or something, or say something contrary to what happened, we would have an evidence. Okay, that was why we recorded. We didn't have any intention to record and leak it. Neither am I the kind of person that record people when they call me, but because of the fact that I wasn't in good terms with Moisha, and I had seen a video of her sitting on the floor, and a few minutes later her peer was on my phone and wanting to talk to me. Do you get it? That was why I recorded. Fast forward, it's just me and Elikem that had the audio until 3 days ago. I sent to another friend of Moisha called Sandra. So only yesterday I had another call from Nelson. I have not saved this number. It's me, Nelson. I said, okay, what's up? He then asked if I had 10 minutes because he really needed to talk to me. If you listen to the video carefully, the boy kept talking and talking. At a point, I even had to tell her that, you know what, it's enough. I have to go, because it was a 22-minute conversation. It was too long. I had to go, honestly. So I told him I had to leave. So this audio wasn't out. For me, I didn't release this audio, and I apologize to Moisha for what has happened with this audio. It wasn't my intention. I apologize to Moisha for this audio being out. It wasn't my intention. If it was my intention, may I never succeed in my entire life. We had our differences, but this isn't something that I wished for her or for anybody, nor even thought about or even had in mind. Okay, so please, guys, I am so sorry. I apologize. I'm not the kind of person that you think that I am. And to Moisha, I have forgiven you for everything you have been trying to apologize for. I pray and I hope you recover very soon. This is the end of my live video. Again, I apologize. It wasn't my intention at all. It wasn't my intentions.
Say me do better record and answer what they may better record. Yeah, recording you won't without the person knowledge. Woman ni pani who say what recording no. Idea a buana.
Also the pan friends.
Sama mumu.
Sama. Sama. A bruchile sama na said it.
Ghana sama.
Sa. Mini aba. Yabone.
Yabone. Okay.
Ghana Constitution cry against the law. So I wouldn't miss off kunchache kasa. Now, as all record me, Catherine say, all record me.
Okay.
As all mammy tea, I say, I will be the baby. Now we try the picture. Young and probably you say, I want you. Money partner man, quite. Now, won't say, we try the picture. By answer Ghana, near baby or why I'm fine, Yanny, I some. So I will be the baby. Now we try the picture. Against the law.
Okay.
Sabi eburochire for no kora betumi e de won comment about say dinsi law.
Okay.
By Ghana no ye mara na ye bibi bi ni ade. Sabi so kum chacha na mo me kwa no way upi camera. Bra. Abraminim no chame. That be ye nya de sa. Etimi da bi a kase. Obi a woni na kasa. Mami fanfiri ni se bra.
Okay.
I say obi a woni no ebi agro. Na wo ye wadan for no time ba won chen. Na da bia wode obi ho asem ba.
Okay.
Say ni pa no hwe ni ye.
Okay.
Na won so de wode ko. Obi di obi ho asem bra wo da bia e ma ne nya wo de. So be say ni pa na ma. Sade atie bia wode de ko. And some a wo be kan. Awo tena se be 20-30 minutes. A won wo kan. Wo ye sure so what na what se mu. A wan ka bi. Okay bi. Eti hwe ni pa ni ye. It will be a one in a casa or record bia where you're dangerous. Yeah, where you're dangerous. Ya want crophobia or what? Ka Adam Fufono. Once I met to me no one father for. No problem about na yen tamati. A normal.
Okay.
Yen tamatia over to me a call quine. Now so oya then. A normal. By your one crophobia or what? One will be the agrona or telling your program that here. Secret ya war ni panning temu be a la. Not the other mountain. Sadam for no yadam for pa. Or yadam for bonnet. Why ya kaidani? Why your summer belandi? Why ye talabani? Why ye bronsam? I yet tell me you should say what the way. And I must say the pan said, oh, bia, what to say biano. So so. Okofa na damfo a hwe yie sade ensuo ye ye no sade owia ebeye sade wode ye ama no sade wode be ye ya eti wonu obi kasa no record wa sade pa no media minimum dwe e woni patiri mu a sai me no wo kasa no record me o record me sade
se ebia na bibi ni ebia na wo de wakwa akọdane ase ne se ebia me no wo kasa o si ye we nipa sumesi ye de wo no de ti bonko so ne ebia ma akọ se o ye prophet church was here and what they wo just say enya de esa asundue de asundue wo benya bi enti so wo record a na eno de watimi de akwa gina wo say enya sa na me kan ye na me kan ni say enti wo mu ni say
eni adwin na wo utirim sa wo record me say okay
it's as a nipa ni masem kan market me dani asem
enti no catch them me say o record me
say me kan so a wo so be hwe wa no ka say ye kan ensem a wo so wo kan
me nua ba ma me kan se mo kire me say ya won krofo bebro wa woni krofo di agro a record won tamte ye no all the recording sana ba bonten eti wokofo obi fofra damfo a ene sa no de be eti me ensuso sade ye no so
okay
ma ye ensuso so
send the papa mu na ne pa de record you send the den you ni kwase ensuso so
ma me hu sa wo record me ya dia etomra o
okay
etomra wa record me sele bi pa ye wo bi o wa wo to me record wa no akoye editing na ni nsam no kai no
wo ye firi wo
no wo ye firi wa no to me push wa na wa kebi ya hihye mfiri na wo push wa na wa kebi na wa no akoye editing wa ye editing anu wo yi ni nsam ni nyina firi ho sa wo ni bebere sa
ai ende no
wo yi ni die ni nyina firi ho na wa de wo de na ba
nti say sa no nipa na record e bia sa won so record ya so so betimi dia baba be prove say na nipa ne kan ye ma me so mitimi eye den e kan sa ensem
me dia me kan say Bible say men so nipa men so awurade hwe
okay
sa na nipa bia so men so obi hwe da bia me ka say nipa bia so obi hwe bia we ya bronsan obi a da bia so obi hwe sa wo be pomodin so obi ba ton hwehwem wudi obi ba to amani mu no say nipa oni ni papa
okay
eti man record obi o record no sele mini aba
odi for na say o kan e sa dia na ene na say ene Ghana ha mo bi afun mra o because obi FBA ne shop say dia high away na ene say me director na me boss the camera esi ha no mo abrami ni mu a say no so me so wo record mi o ti say bibia meye no ono so dia na wo plan hu nti a enu to record me ti so no susu nke betima ka say emra no susu ntini eni nini na senka ehun nya say the CCTV camera bebo baby a
na say ade na bo wa ebo se wo behu na ade kosia Dabio, what are the internet CCTV camera? How do you see?
Also, if you are on my in a light form, into what do you say?
I saw police. Okwa brochla. Brochla police. Ojina kwa ho.
Okay.
Okay. Eti wa go speed kura. Wo se process ni gina we. Wo ye bibia wo yam show.
Okay.
Fabra Ghana ha.
Okay.
Ghana wo drive wa. Police if one bi to me ko tell take you so. Na wa ko take and then be a cheap. Would you know why was a macho? I can be also like a chair.
Okay.
Got police in the wood now crowd. Drive near now only pan cry. I am a share. By when the approach in a quarter a lot of yours. And what could tell them be a cheap? What I was or petrol money. Would you know also macho? Cow Muswakon ordinary. So I said, it is CCTV camera. I mean, you are back.
Make come once.
Yeah. What they dodge selling? I didn't know what they dodge. Yeah, when you maybe or what? Mean you are back. And if you are saying you be near there, I saw your bar. Maybe only baby champion.
Okay.
And I was you.
Okay.
Now I cannot say, child naked picture money.
Send them. Okay.
Fast send me. Man, yeah. Man, you be that. Yeah. Why you wedding a tosso? Hand the crowd, man, you be. Why you are singing our wedding, a man, you be. So you're back. Now, and put one yet. Now, Belma, I want to tear. Was I do? Maybe some new year phone sex. Child naked picture. Never said, what is happening?
Okay.
I didn't say the sandal.
Okay.
I said before the quiet. Maybe I sing now in the kid. I've been sworn out, one let me and quite be here.
Okay.
Maybe I sing now my danger.
Okay.
Ya one year maybe your what? There be that. And you know, Sabio, Sadia, Ghana will be per se or good penny be anyone say. Now I shut down the CCTV cameras. No, the acquisition baby. Now.
Yeah, they
Sika.
behind.
No, the scale will table so. What the old banner, office on any baby business, and won't come up. And I be a mobile one. Next can go. Why, yes, some would think come on the way, by a wine hour 40 minutes here. Why, yes, I will quape. Also, sky with you.
With your fan of
Fatal fool. So I say, your bride and your gift.
Okay.
There is a difference between bribe and gift. So a woman may gift to her and your bride. But when you find this kind of amount and you go on, Ebia, Sabi, what I can say, you want to be a Wayaman or the man or Jay. Actually,
okay.
Actually, okay. Nebia, what first sky, what fire. Na ade ya CCTV camera na ode Addo jelo na capture who we ya pe yes wa kwede bride
near the blackmail.
Thank you
near the yenioma.
Thank you nipa no so no e bia wona ni di nkomo no anso wa koye editing ayi wono ne kasa ni nyina firi e wo ba bi o ka se eye gift no se kasa no e ma se kasa ne magda no way you are from. But Debia, Yana Debia, soft cum chacha and a cassette. But be any public go any more see a duo. Any baby I ever said what do, won't you mean you are and what that? Dabida. Etin will be the some to swat. Now will be cut the end to swat. Jaime Rade, no bone pie. That castle Rade, won't you go take more for me the shower, sir? Baby, any baby to me a black melu. Addo, ha, open you are no we are singing now. My young father, the whole social media, among the whole TV, and Nakasa, Nippa, you wouldn't need that. Jamel Rade, no rather than get him one for.
Sure. But if for where answer no you're going to top fire, you're going to talk. Yeah, if you was nigga ne ekwapim polo so be reactive to yeah the Salma can yeah no moon say well yes I dey we nyina so what take revenge the etia yeah Moyisha na abusia for no mama yankonko tie yeah say the if you was nigga ne yeah ekwapim polo wo mo de wo nsem no etu dwan ye ba na ya to yeah enkomo no eso.
Hello guys, good morning. Oh, it's not well, but I would like to say something this morning. Let's be vigilant, okay? Watch people you surround yourself with. You can't trust, okay? You see how human beings can be happy over the fellow human beings downfall and will not think twice to bring you down, to do evil things to you because of what? Enviness and jealousy. Forgive my English. Let's be watchful, okay? Let's be so watchful. It's so funny how things are happening in our industry, but it's war. If you can think of doing something to hurt your fellow human being or your fellow sister or brother, just because of what? Just because of what? And you will not think twice. You will not think twice to hurt the person because the person has hurt you before. Maturity. Please, let's still remember our sister Moyisha in prayers. God knows best. She will be fine. We all have passed. Yes, she will be fine. And let's always remember that the greatest losses can be the greatest lesson in life. I love you guys. Have a nice day. I'm so disappointed in whatever I'm hearing and seeing on social media. Audios and what. Let's be mature in life. I love you guys. Kiss.
Sis, Salma, you know I love you. You know I love you to the moon and back. You know the love I have and the support I have for you. But Salma, I'm so disappointed in you and your explanation. Salma, I met Tiwana Moyisha Freo and asked you to forgive her, and you told her to fuck off. That was so gangster. And Tisano, now Samo Basi, but you knew the boy was lying, yet you recorded the boy. What was the reason of you and Elikem recording the boy? If not to leak it, no recording said don't be happy. Yes, when Moyisha called you for forgiveness, Moyisha was sick. Moyisha was yare, and she called you out of a sickness. And so what's the reason of recording the boy? Nelson is lying. Nelson told me a different version of the story and told Anekria a different version of this same story. You recorded the boy because Moyisha catch bloggers so that you also get the revenge. So it's admitted. If not, I will record this conversation with the head in Sama. Ubebo restaurant. You see, you fire and sereni power. You are read your mammy. You fan sereni pa. Because we don't know how tomorrow. Obi nim the better watching and see already. And Sama, as a businesswoman, after doing this, you know, I call you to order food. I am scared. What if you record me? What will you do with it? Enter here. You are a lady, you are above this. You are above this water. To allow Nelson to drag you there. And someone Nelson no kind of he spoke out of drugs, someone offered drugs, and that's why he's talking like that. I was so moving down. And if we are to call a spade, Salma, why will Moyisha apologize to you? Ushedi back. You had a lot to say about her when she did her ass, and she had a lot to say about you when you did your ass. Period. Let's be honest. You guys meet at parties, and even when I beg each of you to hug, you don't. You all have the same sentiment towards each other. And so me when someone else in front me say Moyisha di ayame, and someone else in catch me say Moyisha di ayame. And when I say Nelson no here no chair Moyisha. Sama, One merely came, then Nelson and drag you into this gutter. I'm so disappointed and so disgusted.
Abusuafo said ya mukotie eye kwapim nsem ene afia shos nega so ensem enu odifo eye sama ye kan no asem yi emre bi atwam a chese ye moyisha sese o se ye friend morisha yi okokoye ne to usama obebe kan ye se na moyisha wakokoye ne to ene enye jim bia na enye se bia eye ne to no wakokoye ena won so kokoye a wodie na chese moyisha so kotna ye radio station ne bloggers so kasa ye sampa won so akwa ye oto wo de ko kan wodi a ukọ apai enti eno na amadodo na susu se record ya wo record ye moyisha ni PA no ye se no wodi ye se de odi begu ye moyisha ni mu ase se nipa because of se obi aye wade na nitu ube pay ne back ye de nipa na yare ana se nipa ni sinto ye bi ena edigu na ni mu ase ana
medas on say ọwọ juma na wọ́n yẹn na nkasa na esile queens no ejuma no ena bi kan kasa akwai competition
de no kre
so that say wo to so a obi person de ye kwaye kese eche wo de sabi wo be ye wo to onso no enkrofo na esile queens fo ni bi nso be ka za nyefe na we de efiri he
okay
enso onya bi a okay enti no all problem
do mu obi
all problem pa ana wo hwe asem a afia ne ye kan sen akuapem polo kan ye na sabe ho nyansa wo ba mi dia ho yade ye de ye mfa yade nsere ja wi ase da bia me kase ba bia ni pa won ko ho da no ye nkan wansam
no kre
sa won ko ba bi da o kan wansam a why mistake pa ye boss asi be so e we obi enu kwan wo be fa so obewu ana obi enu kwan wo be fa so obekọ ana obi enu de e be to no e was asi be so a wo de be firi so akọ sa obi nya accident ya na owu a na wo de accident condemn ni pana wan hwe yi a wo so nim se ebi a okura de enye ka accident now they are brain accident now they are your mu atete ja bi to me see
okay
I will be ase yade ya wo wi ase hey sofo to me yale hey Addo to me yale minister yale MP yale president yale han na nim say sabe yade we ne be kuno awa de be frat as for as we so obeko eti enne atomo yishia ba ochira wa oti ba bi a wo sere no wonim de yebeto eti na mpanifo bu be se so akoto se wo nyonko abodwo se ehia na wo sensuo e de esi wo na de wo abodwo se na nkasa ko wuram sari ya be ya ejane ba entumi nya kwan e mehye wo de eti me de Saudi yale yesiri wo bi de dabi enye ne kwan so kora enye ne kwan so mi
yo odi for we de ye to ayansem no eso be pese mi hu so wakwa ye sofo yi de ye wura asofo rems because asofo mi no videos bi e wa han ma ye be play na ye tie wo mo ensem a wo mo e kana pese mi hu se e ba no se ye bo eye obi edua na ye dum obi e wo bible mu
dua bo ne ye ye na no also all the fa snap inkosua ensuo na all the aye on duabo eye ye nana no mamre no
ene wo mokwan yo
ye ena bible mu de no ye nyusu kosua enyusu snap emfanye bible mu de no eye nipa na no wo bebie na no na wo de aka bibi na enye nsunsanso ewo so bible mu no ya onkrofo bebro wa awo ye nyame nkrofo bi bone abe nyame nkrofo no ekese wo
okay
2 Kings chapter 2 okay 19 to 24 bible say tama Elisha onam na okono bible say na pampamu ayeden apa ene nkwala ekodi ne ho agro eye nyame nipa na pampama pa nyame nipa na pampama pa odi abufuo adome nkoda no me nkoda 42 wo nyina mu tete ye ema won wiye Bible mu no wakora adome ne ma
okay
ana osha Bible mu Genesis 49 verse 3 Reuben Bible so de ne plan akoto ne papa mpaso
okay
ne papa beto no odome no ana o ka kire Reuben se obehihim ati se nsuo na wo kan die ebefuru hu nsam ne papa edome no New Testament New Old Testament nyina curse wo ho
okay
enumi ho
enti eyese sofo obedumi eye obi
sofo dumi obi a de wo mu se ma mini wa no se
okay
Bible say enumi ye bi a enni enyina so no enye adwuma
okay
sofo wa yade na wa ye na wo bie wa no dome a enye adwuma na ye adwuma kyena
odifo ye betwa wano ewo honum se de wakan yi e de ye betoa eye suntu de so eye wupodua mu abusiafo ensembu se ye busa nyina eye se ye ankasa ye papa eye Reverend Isaac Owusu bempa na se entamo e de ene wo mo aka ne nsam anasa wo mo no wo mo enya no ene se onye dru ne nsore dem wo preachi na edru pepe so bia spiritual works one de ni ejai ye kura oil ni ye de pem nsore dem wono ye papa oil no wa sore dem wo a osusu se ni nyina eye wo ma o maye no bone no makasa de etia no ne chese odome wo na dome a wo dome no wo ye na asore ba na wo susu oti wo bi na wo gide wo ye ni tumu a wo susu sa no me no ebekọ eye watanfo eso na ebusefo ya kokọ hwa ye papa no ni video no embra ne ba ya je eye odifo susu anu asem e de free ensem no
so Paul no ya apostle na ye Holy Ghost we nye Old Testament New Testament and I'm about to me Peter and John at Domi Simon the sorcerer Simon konya yifo no to me no so for me Domin crofo and na 71 ana Matisen crofo bi say me no mi anya djuma enya djuma na enya nyame na afre me enya djuma oh my god enya djuma osofo enya djuma me no mi we enya djuma osofo me so no mi we sa antoto omo mra machima sore dan nya machimi fie nka ho nya mfa me nkɔhye nsawa mu ne kra de waye mayie wonderful ɛna sankrofo ankra daa mo ɛne amankrado ne sankrofo ntu no na omu yɛ no ho hwɛ me yɛ sade we 30 days na o twi bia me baako na me yɛ no baako saa adaduasa se ma ya nson na maduru hoyi papa nti mi wie nson ya akasai mi wie 7 ya akasai 23 na mi wie 23 na mesa wura bunum omu ya ye be hye o mase mi mfatuo mi mfase kan ba me mo mahu se mi ye nyame difo konfo oba no ya frano agrada Patricia Asieduwa ana Patricia Asiedu said ya bottle ya bofuma papa no sa no nyame strike one na dofo nyame strike one ne ma strike one ni kuru obi bia one mami we one link awani omudi yame ntwanto so ma twa to me so no striking enko mo so onyame si Jeremiah fa kukuo na fa omerema gina wo nchen na ko gina kuro no na afo na fa kukuo no bofom ne mpaapai na se ne kukuo no be paapai no saa na me nyankopon me paapai watamfo ene Israel atamfo ena Jeremiah ye ne saa spiritually sunsumu Jeremiah frɛ ɔman no sunsun bɛhyɛ kukuo no afrɛ ɔman no mu nipa nyinaa sunsun bɛhyɛ kukuo no efiri ɔhene ekosi akoa ɔdehyeɛ ekosi afena frɛ obia asrafo wɔm frɛ obia honhom kɔhyɛ kukuo no ɛna ɔde bɔ fɔm a ne paapae ɛna ɔse sɛnea kukuo ya paapae a ɔnwomfoɔ bia ntimi nwene kukuo yi saa na Awurade ebe strike matamfo yi ene Israel atamfo abra obia ntimi enye omu yi saa mana dane amanfo besi nne adane amanfo enne mefrɛ Patricia Siedu honhom edi wura saa bottle yi mu saa anwinnie yi mu kwa Mark a ɔyɛ amankrado ɔno kura de obewu ti sa aboa perpetual donko ɔno kura de onim yare bɔne bɛbɔ na ma na sɔfa afrɛ wuo esu ewuo bɛ delay no ɔbɛ pro kɛtɛ so atete ansa na wawu Manase a efɛ no kwabena boaten kwabena boat ne ami ye wa wonte ase kama no tu me jitum so nyame pɛ so we set example ɛma nkrofo mu sɔre a no mu di asɔfo atem anyhow wodi matem a memfa ho but me ntwa ntoro nto me so de mi ye me no me obi a waka me ho asɛm o ana obi a wadi matem dabi waka me ho asɛm no wadi matem a wonka ho bi nya wa but ne odi ntoro nsɛm ato me so de me nya ye osema ye no ogusu twa ntoro to me so na ni da ho no awi ata so obedi matem agumani mase asopa me obi kura so obegu me masori obeka me ho so metwetwa ntoatom so saa mama sori agu aye fe no kwamra mark amankrado mesi saa brantia no obenya accident bia ne remfida obenya accident obenya wounded esuno onwui obe suffer ansa no wawu sem ye nyame di for dia mefra Dominic ne sunsum hye bottle yi mu kwabena bo atema na se sunsum hye bottle yi mu kwa Mark sunsum hye bottle yi mu ohu ahi a mo fra no hwa abonsu o se bonsu me fra no honhom ewura bottle yi mu Collins a yesi fra no Black Jesus where kwadwo besia ono woye gay me fra no honhom e de hyesa bottle yi mu ana ho abie asa enomi enkosafo ni nyina so won soso nkrofo bi ahia ma nadwo aye ohumiti ne opeso de yarebone eba so ne opeso de owo be fa wo ne awasori atiawo efrusi kasem so kosu awaresem so sa honhom no so ye twe mo be hye bottle isi mu aya pasa me ntom ya wani beje na be transe sansa no me ko me matamfo so no na the same no me ko so atamfo so ni o sadambo emodam ebinum so o madwuma
siafo said ye papa de nsem no atu edwana ye odifo dodo na hu ni said wo ye ne de ne kwanso anu because they say asofo ne ye ka wo mo nsem dodo de enyimu ne de chese wo mu nyina ne ye ka e de efa wo mo nti wo yesi ya edisuro ebeba eye nyamedwuma no say na hu no sifa
me dase on se me di kan bi say Bible say no me ya enyi nyina so no enyi adwuma it's no media me ka say asem a enye no kore no nipa menka entu obi so if is all kind Bible kora o Proverbs 30 Proverbs chapter 30 verse 10 Bible say me ni wakoa enseku enchire ni wura na wa modua na we yesa wo be before okay it dua bokore o Bible sabe obi o wa wo ni obi ye adwuma obi betumi edi ne hunsekuo asena atwitwa ne 19 saa mini aba Bible so yes ah na nipa ne bodu akora be kan
okay
eti me de mesre me nuanom a e wo social media ni nyina re say ade a enye no kore no man can do obi so
okay
ba de ye no kore a opesa wo kan and the do baby a mo ma ye for social media na nye personal attack
okay
so that say personal attack ye nye no mfuru me de me kan no
do be kan no oh na yes said ye enoma ekọ eba ye asofo ohun ensem a eba nansi ya agun na sofo we say wakwa kwa sofo emi bu se mutete sa ense we anase se ye kase we de form one say na ya musi
ensemble sa
say ye muti say ye bia ye kam ho nsem na bia prophet church wakwa ye say na wakwa di ye obi yire chi anase mutete nsem a enye no platform mu a aya efu mabem efom nyam djuma ho ana
ne me de me nkodi obi yire chi
yan ka se wakodi bi fatu ho na wo busa mai
o fa camera man eye fatu ho fa camera man ye fatu fa me nye fatu o se me nya ba ye fa bi nye sele ba de wo mu se eye no man wo ye den a Yesu Kristo kro bo wi ase obe wi ase men kan sa wan ye bone da nipa kan sam to no so nipa gu na ni mu ase nipa kan de ni mu to no so it Luke 6:26 wasi nipa nyina bom din pa munie ekes obi akasa wo ye gudu a Bible say ekes
okay
and Matthew 5:11-12 wasi nhira no so ye mo no time na me Yesu me dinti wodi atro kense bodi bebre to so eba de sa momo mani nye na mo sepam na maketu ya so wan fa so sa no ni ye difo a idi kan eti me fi say why your public figure no a waji di ni de we ye den ye nipa be twentwan to so ade ennim ya de beto so ya eti wo say Yesu aka bibi o Bible mu Luke 23:31 waso wodi we ye duamo a de na wodi be ye duawo ye
okay
me Yesu a me be wi asa me ye duamo no kra ye gumani mu ase e bisa me mpra ni male madali so ada se eti duawo ye ati se so of kum chacha duawo ye ati se so of obi owo ho nipa be kense be brato so a part of work any part of life obi a wonye sofo okora nipa ka ho ase
e ka ho ase ye di for ye to asofo yi no so no ye eagle prophet din se bia ba betu edwa ye breniti no ye ntimi enkonkotie no ba ye bebo ne tofa wo se ye wo a wo ye nyame nipa na se wo ye ye nyame djuma wo se ba no luxurious life nkwade a wo nya bi wo se che se ejapade den ya wo se wo nya bi se de be ya ebeye nhira na se no nam so na be ma o church member aye eye nhira enti se wentimi endi ye e wasase yi so san se heaven krapo no nyankopon so odi gold ne nyoma na se asiesi hono kama enti wono de nya de se ntabodan na obekwa kode wo so no so enya big mansion na se wontina mu wondam no wonfa nye den ehu se ampa nyame ehye nti se wo ye sofo na wentimi ama medisa edeni bi wasase yi so a bonsam dem na wo beko eno de na betimi aka
enyo obi anso na bebe so obedi de
okay
and then you be an baby we are so obedi
like o ka asofo no
me kan ba
okay
so we your sofo na wo da di shirawo na wo fi papa te mo yi nshira
okay
and now your sofo na wo da di shirawo na wo ka papa te mo yi nshira abrabo yi obi a bompan se wo da di nya de nshira na abrabo
okay
by men fa kwan mo so man fa sisiye so
okay
man fa pobo so man ye obi azan an kan chen sa ma me okay ana papa okay I could tell you utina ma wo bewu utina ma abenya accident na wa fa se kwan so e bi akode ma ne car ana papa ne car enwo ye pobo nshira
okay
sa pobo nshira ni nyame so on so ne nsani ba wo ye sofo na wo ho na ebi asofu kum chacha meti we na ebi aka obi akoma se sofo so be president Joe. So kum chacha, ke ye kuta me efuru makuma. Me de chew. Efie we efuru makuma me de chewa. Aye urade nhira. Okay. Aye free ni panakuma mo no de amọ. Asi akwa so dem aye gba afode. Da bia me ka se sofu bia ofo so obi. Ehye no e ma de gba afode bia na enye papa. Okay. So that's it. Affordable every akumem. Any nipa na eden abo. No ani pem. Na obo a amewurade ehira no. 2 Corinthians 9. Okay 7. Paul says that will be a susu na akuma na oma. Nya memre mfe ana wo hye. Na de wo tin na ni mu ma na awurade do no. Ade bia wo ye bia emfa akumam. Na emfri wawu mu a obaye no ya na de no enye nhira obi tumi kpo afode bi na afi wo dwen ho na wo su enye papa. Okay. Se wo ye sofo a se de mi nua sofo ya kan no e bia no kan na kwan paso de ya na ye. Okay. O kan na kwan paso a eye sofo nyame hira wa wonya fie na nyame hira enye bone eye nko an because say Proverbs 10:22 say that nshira and the many pie the four obrenu ma won fa bi nka ho by sofo me mo apo so apo na wonya say ne ma ne dia enye
yo na odi for ye to yansam no eso ana chese ne dey ya na say na watwi mu ensem bi esi ye fa aposifo na monto bi a wo mu etu ye nwa chese no na hu ni say entwa eyeye kra a chese motor riders a wo mo omoto nje na wo mo ko ye agin kotoku na chese wo makoto bicycle motor foforo kada foforo na no do mo register ye na chese ye posi ni ba ko na am say ye register it na wo tata wo mo tata womo a wo koko gina ye ba ko do ye register ni koko gina ye se de be yanka posi ni no o do ba na ene wo ba be ka de nti a wo ta womo anasese na enu ani se ye se posi ni yi twen no e free ye moto no so de na to form na car no so free ye kwan no so eba e be betwi fa no so e no na so ama chese dodo na ebu efu na ye nwa be ma na chese wo ho no mo de etwemu no efa ense no eba ye konkote ni ye ba wo de aposifo no kwan a wo mo efa so no se eye kwampa so se enye kwampa so wo de wadwenche no atudwe ntabusia man ko tie ye nwa na ensem no eba ne ba ye
na ko ye market age kotuko ena ye dur traffic light no na ye gina ye ni patre nti de moto foforo na ye koto ye ne ye lasi ni ye nti ena de ne ko market honum no nti police ni hu se moto ni number mbo ho no o chase moto no ko ben no ana o pegya ne nan e ba be butu no awo moto no so abira o mo nyina wo speed so e ko wa to ne nan 3 times wa nye no ana mebra ne parking ye o parking ye no o begina nanim e bisa ne se adan na wo dwane a wo mpese wo begina ena me brane reply ni say ono wonjoni ko bebia ana wo be crossing ni so moto ni stia no e twi ni bo fom hodum na car no be bo no afa ye be fa ni be duru hospital ha no ma hu say police for bebre aba abe ka say ye kitato to wo me bag ni ana ma lock me bag no nti o mo say o mo pese o mo bie me bag ni so me say o mo ntwen na me brother mbra ena obia mbe ye video ansa na me bie bag no de ewom nu na obia hu nti o mo be gina ye doctor for no gina ye me brother so wo ha ena e bie bag no ya bie bag na hwe de ewom ni nyina bibia nnim ansa na me sa sesa me ne magu me bag mo anka o mo ba se o mo be fa me akose ye kitato ye nye krofo ye gima ye tojeni ye tojeni obia o hwe me no onim gima me ye ye no ye matu ye wo akra de akwa je kotukonu
say me nua no o de palo ko ye den ade a sene baginim kanya palo ko no de sene baginim ma on ko maje no do adre to asem se kola no kutatuo ko me amro be so ti ase nti kana for police for no so ma we ya kwa am no so ye gane so no am fa papa mba nti na police ne ye kunu kwa ya ye intimo for no ye kunu aye ya but atibu temo mu ye o de bia won dwe won ti ase what ti ase hwa kola no wa kunkola no kwa agya ne busefo agya ne ye ne kwa no
oh ni ameka kire ye nua no se wo munya botre no omonto omobo na ayasem na aba asem so ba initially ni de ya na no ohye enti obi nya botre no calm down menim say by all means asumdwe ebeba and then asumdwe ban so na nokore no ebedadi sabre sani esitie na wo munyina wo mkoma wo soro no ubisa obi asem bia ode akoma abufuhyew na bekasa enti ade ebeche na afei wo mkoma ato wo moyem a wo mani aba wo ho so no afei nokore bi e wasem no no wo mo beka they will not be so much sentimental.
Yeah, you near Beme, Edin, some year today. A quaya, a possible AC a handle, yeah, Timmu for our may you moon dinner bet me I can't at their phone.
Hey, many about the woman said, and then one said, I quite to say, Timmu for any being so. And for quite be brave, Sukun, come up, Lucy for any be.
Okay.
By being an answer back, you condemn. I dear in your dear, nay, Eko benkum na nya enye eko nifa na nya yebeka se to da bi na prosini bi di na djuma na yekobo ni tuoku na na se timamu ni bi ya de bi ensem fata ya kondem sade ba wo hwe de prosini ye nkoyi kwa nkoyi nse nipa no onkuta tu onkuta sekan onkuta tu onkuta sekan se wafo momra kra eso de ankofoto.
Okay.
Na date na se utumi twini free moto ne so na de ne tofo ana okotofo emaka
ekokofa ne so
eti wawu ana wawu
eno na achese ama wo mo ebu afu se de aposifo ne ye entwe yie kra se wo mo so esori di tia wo mo de ye beka se wo mo emum ena enye den enye wo mo nyanto boase
enye kra enye ya wade bi o wa ho won se mo prosifo na ebinom sabe mo nyina kra ma kwantete so fallacy a wa kwantete even so ma one shoot ne kra etu okuta na ma one shoot na wo bi kuta sekan a na bia na odi guwa etese okon wontumi
no kre
eti no odi sekan ne bia no ato eti prosini any soldier sa o mutire ne no onkon o ma obi one shoot kra na odi ne sekan any bia gu ona san gbani tuoku na ye boapaye
na just what meaning ni pa so obi
yeah na ye boapaye ya wade bi o wa e ye boapaye I say sabe woni obi enya anase wo de menkan se wakoto obi ne wo yele wadem so wakoto no wadem a sabe wakoma be ye ono hwe wuntumi eti e wona no utumi ye eniya ba bi aso wabodam
no kre
so that say e wa by ni padi pie kwa na wo pie ko na de ye che na so mu nipa no na wo ye ne boni bia na ye wadwen se o pese o be ye ne boni ana be ye ne boni eti we no sabe wo twini firi moto ni so mini aba enkoye prosini no wanya de
se emra no ni
yeah na se emra no mini aba edi obi ya
sure
so Ghana ha ne ade na ya na to da bia okoya yeso ya ben nipa
na asem no
ha na ya ben ado ha na ya ben ado obi ya ben nipa one settlement fo ni bi ye ne ma bi etia prosifo ni bi tantantan ni nyina ye kasenye the prosini no wanya de ese IGP and the family kwan so yeah
oye do for ye de nkobo dede no esia enesa na ye nansen nsem ababeto yapono eso na ye tete ye chese ye National Cathedral ye sie ababeto just say de hu benya say Ghana for ye be donate 100 cedis no na so ma chese ye kwame A+ what na not to say mo se ani nipa biara wo be donate ye 100 Ghana cedis for National Cathedral na chese wo de wo say nipa wa jimi na say and making his statement or say anyone who will donate 100 Ghana cedis for the National Cathedral is a fool and will rot in hell. Wo hwe sika wo mo e ka say yemfa mana ya de hia abra ye wo hospitals a empa enim ye wo chese ye school dan a enkonya enim nkwade ko school wo munya baby enter na ye di sika na ekwa kotua for ye national cathedral wo mu se nyamesom de ye de na so ye no kwan so a eno
question ni nyina na wo yi ano question ni nyina na wo yi ano me ni aba sabi u ko tutu no wasudo baba so any HIV u ko tutu the as what the show to say HIV bi nga
okay
sabi uniska kaso be si cathedral finance minister abekasa finance minister eshe Ghana footwo mi ni ska aden no so obesi cathedral by force well by force rape cathedral
rape cathedral no
yeah uniska mini aba yensi cathedral ada said ye waka no nyame djuma obi eni wa on pese nyame djuma koso da ya wa Ghana hai ya wa ye nyina ya wa nsole ya bom paye ya ba sole nyame obeti ye
no kre
says Ghana population by 30 million population yes obi entua 1 million ya de na ye fancy say cathedral me nua ba so fukum chacha me dwen wa mentiase says kawe o be koma komo ano na yetuye wi ana fa kora fa nkrofo sem
ase ai
na nkrofo afa ho e ye nya V8 wom na nkrofo afa ho sisi dan ade bi ama won pranfo etime de sai ye yi sika no tie ya won na ye be sika ka ye yi sika nya ade bi a ebeboa
okay I don't fast so bebre o man
yeah cathedral no me sof kum church en fa so o man
okay
God Ghana ko ye kan say for kuma sekwan so edu anadu a esum dakwan so saa
kabi
wa fa so da eyi motorway fa so
Gempa road crampo
esum a eguso na kuma sekwan so kora every week biya nipa mu wakwan so 15 20 sa 1 million na yeso obi entua no ka yetua ka yemfanye kuma sekwan na enye double road ene mfa so obeba ekunkum ni ba stop sa kwan biya e double road wa na me sof kum chacha me free akwa kuma se a na me da ada se me de ba fa wura ma na me de ba pem na omo a eba no me ka no nkohia wo enye mpu na nkum nipa takura de kwa so week bia enipa wu ekwan ne ye kokolebu ko 37 ko police hospital ye leadership adam sa dream fi any dream body kuta binti no awu yale a ni abo so ko Holland South Africa here go onko America Israel here go onko Abuchile
mama ko je ayare
yeah because your hospital no o say ne papa da lu kolebu o ye obi operation and a light of flame onko so generator ne nso and the pan fam wu ye ade na seska ya yetuye yam for bi to e plant akese
emma
hospital
okay
na eto da bi a obekọ hospital bi no na obi nyem obi a wanyem na odafom obi eni pneumonia na odafom obi se ase empani o says Ghana population 30 million obi ayi 1 million wa mo amuni masero mo mas
ye calculate na ye mas
na ye mas o mas aye billions in this kaketwa aye betumi enya mu empa me no wo kasai ko esoro one off e wo ba bi ni ade sabe nipa ni bi ene emoa ene no musuo me no wo kasai a school fo ni bi eda so e ko school onuase me nua ba etimi de so fukum chacha sa mi se metiwe matua se 1 million no a metua no medical ba to sadin milo tie mi o me di ba to milo sardine mrek na ma pe ofos account na ma boa no na me de konsa one prison
okay
na me de akoya adoye aba prison for na da wo ana metu ya no sof kum chacha me metu ya no seska no me de beto ade ama ajanka
ni ebisia
any emisia
rofo
James 1:27 Bible say nyame soma e hote a e ho ni fi e wo nyame nchen so obi hwe emisia any ekunafo ana Matthew 25:31 came no Yesu say come de me mama maduane eni me da deja mo fra ntoma ya kenya soma enu ni nyame som Cathedral ben Kadia Betidia Sentilia Cathedral ben
oh difo
amen Cathedral ben
Cathedral
ana say Cathedral ben mini aba ye nyina ye ni jenyam juma ho Ghana president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo dabia papa we bi srenhira asren kwatente ni woni nche ene anwode ma no ba bia papa age edu a wada so 2019 no eye awrade nhira awrade ma ni nche by finance minister asem na abeka ye no ya nyi ntumo finance minister skani wa enye by force si ensi cathedral se skani wa
osofo pa na wo po cathedral
mapo sai miniaba ye die hia wie
asana ye
ya fata wanye die hia wie a na ye die fata emwa enye sofo na me po cathedral ya bomba ye wa Ghana saa abompa ye saa edu ba bi enye mpaebo ya wade mpaebo ye ebe ye wade ntoto ye ye ntoto ye ene se me kan wasam asofo mbani Ghana obi eni aso da
obi a wa sorry dan
ya pase ya bompa ye ma Ghana ya papa Don Williams aso dan kese ye tumi nko ho
ye betimi akọ
stadium ye tumi nko ho
ye betimi akọ ho
ye
betimi akọ na
independent
theater krabo ho
ayi skase pa ye betumi di seska we ya niam bi e wo Ghana save nkrofo yemfanye
odifo we dey ye di nkomodide ne esi wo final was a photo ne wo telephone number so de betu edwa ma hwefo
me da semi ni aba ya me kan se nyame hiro obi bia wo tie bia me sraw mami chia mi bishop ye bishop Adonten Boaten bishop Adonten Boaten awo USA bishop Adonten Boaten bishop 1 USA Virginia bishop nyame hiraw mesrem kwatenti wo nyame ahoden nyinche edema woni wo busuye nyina nyame ne okese wo ye obi a me pawasem too much wo beni eche na bi hira ensenchia Jesus abrantie every year amwakoma yim wo UK wakoma ekuta wo ye fita mi hu sosofo sada Jesus abrantie every year amwakoma yim akoma pe ekuta wo aisha wanuma na de ya do ya menkrofo nyamesuro pa ayekuta papa we mi hu bi da Jesus abrantie asofo nyina tse wa ka asofo die ka ede mesrem kwatenten ewurade nhira ede ma osofo Kennedy Afrepoku ye front tibram Kennedy sofo 1 I salute you sir sofo Kennedy Afrepoku titibram sofo Kennedy titibram nyame hira wo ye sofo bi a ade ti aya mepe wasama da bi ya mi chia wo enkrofo ntiase wo ka sofo ne asofo bom enuanu bom awoye ni umu awoya eni umu beni achewai last one Dr. California Dr. Nyamishra ena mi sister ama awo Amsterdam sister ama Amsterdam na mi sister we me de me kasa eba wi sister ama Nyamishra no man kwatente woni nkwala ni nyina se bia ufra burochire ana waba Ghana ana wo ba ana wo Ghana ha edan kama ewo Ashoman Estate Ashoman Estate Who dan na said ye yes dan ni mu a wan hwe ye a obekasa we heaven 24 hours CCT ebo ho obi antumi ma ho e me ye bibi abobo security ne kama etu fra brocha bagana na afi na wo beba na wo Ghana na pa ba bi awrente edi bosome mienu bosome miensa na pa ba bi eni wo family ni wo busuafo akose adwudwo mo ho a me de me number bi tudwa fra me o fra me number no ma connect number fofora ma na wa frɛ na wa konyes o fie na wa kasa kora on kasa wo be free ho eti no car so ewo ho a ye de rent kama pa e wa Shoman estate me number a osofo kum chacha o frɛ me a wo benya me eye 0542 51 another 5128 0542 51 another 5128 0542 51512 and your WhatsApp or WhatsApp me ya be kasa WhatsApp me ana frame me YouTube ni kum 1 TV kum ni KUM one ni single abani ni bia kum 1 TV and Facebook no the major prophet chacha me that say Macau, I salute you, sir. No what you so I take up. Come on that one.
Yo, yeah, but I was see every now ebusia form aha and a bre and my quine am my dear. Jume dear no esia